आइए फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सर्कल, that is the boundary of the circle. Okay, boundary of the circle. Boundary of the circle is called circumference of the circle. Okay, that is the center of the circle and that is the radius. Center to circumference ज्वाइन करने वाली लाइन की होगी रेडियस. ओके, और वन थिंग मोर, दैट इज इक्वल टू कोड. नेम ऑफ दिस लाइन इज कॉल्ड कोड. ओके, क्लियर. एंड लॉन्गेस्ट कोड, when a chord is passes through the center, then that is called diameter of the circle, longest chord. Okay, clear. Next, that is the area of the circle. What is the formula to find the area of the circle? Pi r square. Now value of pi, always the value of pi is equal to 22/7. But actual meaning of pi, what is the actual meaning of pi? No, actual meaning of pi means the circumference of the circle divided by diameter. Okay, that is the pi. That is the pi. Circumference of the circle divided by the diameter. You get the answer always 22/7 means 3.14. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Pi. That is the area of the whole circle. Pi are the square. Pi are square. After that, we will discuss about the semicircle. Semicircle. Okay. Give me one page.
Sir, one page.
Listen, beta. Now, that is a circle. Okay. That is a circle. Clear? Now area of this portion is the pi r square. What is the area of a whole circle? Is the pi r square. Okay. When we will divide it into two parts or cut a circle into equal two parts, that is the semicircle. That is called semicircle. Okay. Now area of the semicircle, that is pi r square upon 2 because semi 2. Okay. Area of circle pi r square and divided by 2 pi r square by 2. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And how to find the perimeter of the semicircle? It's a very different. Not perimeter of the circumference of the circle, that is equal to 2 pi r. To find the circumference of the circle, that is equal to
2 pi r.
2 pi r. We will use. Now to find a semicircle, perimeter of the semicircle. To find the perimeter of the semicircle, we will use the formula pi r upon 2 pi r upon 2 plus d. D meaning diameter of this. Okay, 2 pi r divided by 2 this or plus diameter. Okay, 2 cancel by 2, that is equal to pi r plus d. And other ways we can write pi r plus 2r. Pi r plus 2r. Pi r square. Yes. Is it? Okay. After
What is the definition of circle?
after that. portion of the circle, you will take a center point, okay, any point, and take a different points on a plane by taking same distance. After that, when you will join these points, you get a circle. Here
Okay, sir.
means radius to center to same point से distance को join करने तो फिर ये figure बनेगी, that is a circle. Okay. Now next we will discuss about the quadrant, means fourth part of the circle. Fourth part of the circle. Whole circle is the area of the whole circle pi r square. Area of whole circle is the
pi r square.
and a semicircle pi r square upon 2. Now that is the fourth part of the circle. Okay, that is called quadrant of the circle. What is the name of this? Quadrant of the circle. Okay, this is called quadrant of the circle. ये always here is a right angle. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now quadrant of the circle, area of quadrant pi r square upon 4. Okay, pi r square upon 4. And to find the perimeter of the quadrant, we will use 2 pi r upon 4 plus 2r. One radius is this and one radius r plus r 2r. 4 circumference is divided by 4. Okay. Now 2 cancel by 2.
Yes.
Pi r upon 2 plus 2r. Clear? There is a formula to find the perimeter of the quadrant of a circle. Clear? Means circle, the semicircle, quadrant of the circle. I think you have clear. Okay. Okay. Next we will discuss sector of the circle. Sector